Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and it's me, Yana Samin again. And for today's video, I will be filming another mukbang. So yung mukbang natin for today is I have 2 eggs and of course, first time to try samyang extremely hot pepper Jjajang ramen. I always love Korean noodles. So lahat ng makikita ko talaga sa store na bago and Korean siya is tinatry ko siyang kainin. Kasi I've always watched Korean mukbang, so natatakam talaga ako every time na nakikita ko talaga sila na kumakain. So guys, in this video guys, I will be answering some questions and also I will be sharing random facts about me. So let's try it guys. So, before natin sasagutin yung tanong, kakain muna tayo. So, let's start eating. This is yours. Lumabas yung pawis ko. Guys, ang sarap ng Jjajang ramen, pero sobrang anghang. Maanghang siya guys. But still, I love the taste. This one is also spicy crackers. So I think I need water.
Oh no!
Very maanghang. So guys, let's move into random facts about me. So number 1 facts about me. My full name is Narhana B. Samin. And number 2 facts about me. Pinanganak ako sa ibang bansa. Number 3 facts about me. I love salty food compare sa sweet food. So, salty food ako. Hindi masyado ako mahilig sa sweet. Pero, kumakain din ako ng chocolates. Pero, ano lang, konti lang siya. Not into sweet food. Prepared ko yung salty food. And, number 4 facts about me. I am a graduate of 2 years associate computer technology. So, more on sa computer ako. And number 5 facts about me is I am 27 years old. Very tasty siya, itong noodles na to. Masarap siya, guys. See? It's falling. Ting pasarap din siya kapag may itlog. Let's proceed, guys. Number 6 fact about me. I love doing community service. So, mahilig ako sa yung mahilig ako mag-work in field and to serve people. I love community service, doing community service. And number 7 facts about me. Favorite song ko, actually marami akong favorite song, mga old song, yun yung mga favorite ko, yung Air Supply song. More on favorite song ko is nasa old song. So siguro magbibigay ako ng isa na favorite song ko. Gusto ko siya, yung Love Will Keep Us Alive. So nung college ako, yun yung lagi kong kinakanta. So alam ng yung mga friends ko na yun, favorite song ko talaga. Even nasa jeep ako, pag naririnig ko yun, wala lang, na-ILS lang ako sa kantang yun. And okay, before we proceed sa another random facts about me, sasagot muna ako ng mga tanong. So okay, I will answer these questions na nandito ngayon. So pero maybe not all, magpipick lang ako ng aking sasagutin. Okay, first question is relationship status. My relationship status for now, I am single. I am single for 4 years. Aww. And another one. Oh, this one is someone I hate. Skip ko to siya kasi hindi ko talaga alam. Someone I hate. Masyado naman na ipuput name natin siya, so isa-skip na lang natin. Okay, let's eat first. What do you think, guys? Guys, please try this one kasi masarap talaga siya. You have to try this before you die. What is my height? I am 5'1". 5'1". Ito yung height ko. Obsession. Ano ba ito? Samyang obsession? Actually, obsessed ako sa when it comes in things, obsessed ako sa bags. So, yun. Very obsessed. Pag makakita ako ng bagong bag sa store, parang gusto ko, mabili ko na siya. Sobrang obsessed ako sa bags. Every time na pumupunta ako ng store, first na pinupuntahan ko talaga is yung mga bags. Kaya sa bags ako obsessed. Kaya may idea kayo. If you want to give a gift, give me bag. Because I will be happy. And of course, obsessed din ako sa lipstick. Kasi kahit hindi pa ubos yung lipstick ko, meron na akong reserva. Yun, dalawa lang man nila obsessed ko eh. Bags and lipsticks. Let's move on to number 8 facts about me. Number 8 facts about me. I really hate mayabang. Sobrang hate ko yung niyayabangan ako. But ako ng bibig. Let's move on to another facts about me. Facts about me. I have 2 siblings. I have ate and I have bunso. May bunso kami. So, pangalawa ako sa 3 magkakapatid. Yun. And another fact about me. My mom is a single parent kasi yung tatay ko, when I was 5 years old, namatay na siya. Kaya single parents yung mama ko. So, I think marami na akong nasabi. So, yung iba pa. If you have any questions about me, kung gusto nyo magpa-shoutout sa akin next video, please comment down below on my comment box. And of course, I am so thankful na you are here in my channel. And maraming salamat sa inyong support at tiwala. Yun, thank you so much. And I will be answering one last questions. Okay. One last questions, guys. Do you give second chance? Actually, I always give second chance. Of course. Lagi ako nagbibigay ng second chance. Lalo kapag dun sa mga importanteng tao sa buhay ko. So, binibigyan ko ng second chance. If he or she deserve that second chance, bigay mo sa kanya. Or this time, willing siya. So, I think that's it for today's vlog. See you on my next vlog. Thank you for watching. And if you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa new video na i-upload ko. So, if you have any suggestions of mukbang or videos na pwede kong maging content, just comment down below, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! See you on my next vlog.